Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to talk about this is what we call motherboard, and in this motherboard there are certain things which are missing, like memory, microprocessor, and then the CMOS battery. So in this video I'm going to show you how to insert them. So first, you are supposed to understand this is what we call memory slot. This is a slot where we insert memories. So this place here is where we are going to insert microprocessor or the CPU, and here is where we're going to insert the CMOS battery. So I'm going to start with a CMOS battery, which looks like that one of our watch. So what we're supposed to do, you will insert this one inside here. So this CMOS battery is responsible for updating time on your computer, and also it is also good for BIOS setup. And we are also going to insert the microprocessor, which is this one here. This is microprocessor or the CPU, central processing unit. So all works of the computers are being done in this chamber. This small thing you are seeing here is very important within the computer system. So what you're supposed to pay attention is that there's a mark here, which means that this mark is supposed to enter here, So you are supposed to insert this processor well to that processor slot, like here. You can see it has entered well, and then you close, you clip it like that. By doing this, it means that it will not get out. It has not fixed well, so I have to do like this, and then I clip it like this. So which means it will not get out of this place even if you turn your system unit like what. So it will not get out of this place here, because any slight mistake, this one shakes or what, it will disrupt the normal functions of the machine. So the remaining part is how you can insert the memory within this memory slot. So this memory also have got the place where it's supposed to correspond with the slots here. So I have to fix it here, and then there are some clips here which binds it together here so that it cannot get out. And also when you look closely, you'll see that there are some other remaining slots which are capable for the expansion. You can expand the memory arrangement here. So I just want to expand by inserting this one here on another slot. I can put it here next to this one. There's another slot like this, then I fix it here. So anytime I want to increase the memory capability, I'll have to come and then I insert it here. So these two memories are of 2 GB. So if I want to continue to insert, I'll continue until I fill all these slots here. And as you all know, the more the memory, the faster the computer. So this is what I just wanted to show you, so that you know how you can fix your machine. Mainly within the computer system, the things which normally disturb the computer are these ones here, and that's why they have made them to be removable. You can remove them and replace them with the new ones. So guys, if you found this video productive, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more video updates.